Hello guys, today I am here at Park Zipindal, which is also a part of Sonsbeek exhibition, and behind me you can see a mega labyrinth structure which is made up of beer crates. It is a treat to watch. Let's go inside.
It's a nice structure. But me too, but the bottles. Where are the bottles?
Nou, daar had je het niet allemaal op willen drinken.
It was an interesting labyrinth, and my wife, she's over there, she was afraid if you get in, you can never get out. You have to break it down. But we managed to find a way out. I like labyrinths.
I think it's really fun. I have to say it's a bit too easy because I could find the exit very easily. But it's really fun and it's nice that it's made out of beer. If you like beer, it's a good thing to go to. So go, enjoy.
What it is, and I like it very much. It is, I think it's not so serious. You can have fun with it, and I especially liked it for my son. He likes very beer, and he liked this very much.
Yes, please.
It's rather impressive to see a lot of, how do you call that in English?
Beer
Crates.
crates.
Beer crates. And the brewery Grolsch is in the neighborhood where we live.
Okay.
So that's kind of
Association.
association.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a good beer.
Okay.
To me, it's a maze. When you go inside, when you drink a lot of Grolsch, it might be difficult to get out.
Okay. Yes.
It's a nice place to play hide and seek.
Okay.
So that's what we have done together. And
Okay.
it's a nice place to do that. Because we expect a labyrinth, but it was not kind of a labyrinth. It looks like a little bit, but it's more for hide and seek.